How do you say goodbye in Portuguese? The word goodbye in Portuguese is tchau. Tchau. Tchau, até amanhã. Tchau, até amanhã. Bye, see you tomorrow. Tchau, boa noite. Tchau, boa noite. Bye, good night. Tchau, até logo. Tchau, até logo. Bye, see you later. The word tchau is a very common way to say goodbye in Portuguese, but there's a more formal word that you could use, adeus. Adeus. But tchau is fine in most situations. Tchau, mãe. Tchau, mãe. Bye, mum. Tchau, foi bom ver-te. Tchau, foi bom ver-te. Bye, it was nice to see you. Tchau, até a próxima. Tchau, até a próxima. Bye, until next time. So if you want to say goodbye in Portuguese, you can say tchau. And if you want to learn to speak Portuguese, you can get my course 3-Minute Portuguese by going to www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Obrigado!